Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot Collective Love Reading, guys. Take only what resonates. Pwede ka makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Pwedeng makarelate ka pero hindi 100%. Wala akong wala akong pinatutungkulan na zodiac sign. Pero kung may babanggitin ako, pwedeng ikaw yon, pwedeng hindi. Okay? So, bahala ka na ilagay ang sarili mo sa sitwasyon. Paki-comment naman ako dyan, guys, sa baba. Kahit po heart-heart lang, smileys. Malaking bagay kasi yun sa akin. Start na natin, guys. Collectives po ito. Pa-subscribe na lang, guys, sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe. For personal reading, Jing Tarot Trader. TikTok ko po, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Kindly check it out na lang, guys. And, yeah. For collectives, please. One last shuffle. Okay, thank you, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides, collectives. Ano ang messages para sa'yo? For love, you do have your the Emperor, the Hierophant, the Moon. Wow, puro major arcana ha. You could be a very spiritual person, lalo na with the Hierophant, and at the bottom of the deck is the Lovers. So, puro major arcanas, guys. Apat na major arcanas nagpakita sa'yo. The Moon is here, so pwedeng tahimik ka lang na tao eh. No? Marunong kang makisama, pero tahimik lang. You could be in a kind of position wherein with the Emperor, pwedeng mataas ang position mo, kaya ka ganon, ayaw mo bumaba ang tingin sa'yo ng tao, maybe gusto mo rin nire-respeto ka nila. Or, with the Hierophant, I can see you being a teacher, or an advisor, or maybe a friend na magaling kang umunawa sa sitwasyon. Pwedeng magaling ka rin magbigay ng advice pagdating sa love eh. I like your energy, by the way. And with the Moon, mas gusto mo kasi yung tahimik lang na environment. Maybe mas masaya ka na nang ganyan lang. Parang ayaw mo nang masyadong magarbo or maingay. May mga paminsan-minsan, pero pag madalas medyo mahirap or hindi mo kaya yung ganun. Okay? So anyway, sino ba yung person na nakakonect mo pagdating sa love? Maybe you are very mature too, ha? Mature ka mag-isip compared sa mga tao sa paligid mo or sa mga peers mo. Kung hindi man sa mga tao sa paligid mo, pwedeng sa mga kaidaran mo. Sino tong person na nakakonect mo pagdating sa love? Collectives, please. Collectives. Person na nakakonect mo pagdating sa love. One last shuffle. Okay, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides, thank you very much. The Ace of Cups, wow. Temperance. Hindi ko to kukunin. Guys ha, masyadong marami. Puro major arcana, guys, talaga nalabas sa'yo. Yan, no? The Star, also major arcana. You do have here the Six of Wands and the Star. I see this person na sobrang nagmamahal sa'yo with the Ace of Cups. This person loves you. And masyado siyang patient eh. Pagdating dito sa connection na ito. Pagdating sa'yo, no, masyado siyang patient. It feels like pangarap ka ng taong to, sobra. But, gusto niya muna ng victory sa sarili niya. Gusto niya munang ma-accomplish yung victory sa sarili niya. pangarap ka niya pero ayaw niyang masayang yung sa inyo or kung anong meron sa kumbaga kung ngayon siya magte-take ng risk tapos alam niyang wala pa naman siya mapapatunayan or what, ayaw niyang masayang 'yun. You do have here the Ten of Pentacles, the World, ayan, Major Arcanas na naman, no, guys. Page of Cups, I can see an offer, I can see something, ayan, Major Arcana, the Magician. Lalo na sa mga nag-i-improve or may mga improvements na ginagawa ngayon sa sarili nila, I can see money coming in here for you. I can see you, darating yung time sa'yo na yung money or kung ano man yung offer na yan ay magbibigay or makaka-experience ka ng maybe pagta-travel or maybe pamamasyal. I see the world as like a tour, no? So, I can see you na pwedeng makapagbakasyon, makapamasyal sa ibang lugar because of this particular offer, because of this particular money na paparating sa'yo. And may kinalaman yon sa mga skills or development na ginagawa mo ngayon sa sarili mo. Tell me about this person. Nakakonect mo. The Eight of Swords is here. Could be stuck in a third-party relationship with the Three of Swords. And kaya kanya pinapangarap ngayon with the Seven of Cups because I feel like pangarap niyang mag-ipon. Kasi parang ito yung way na nakikita niya para makabalik or maibalik sa'yo or maybe to help you. I don't know. The Six of Pentacles is like kung hindi man maging tayo, at least makita man lang kita ulit. That kind of energy. Lalo na with the Two of Cups. This person loves you. Gusto niya ng relationship in the future sa inyong dalawa. Gusto niya ng relationship. Pero sa ngayon medyo magiging mahirap, matagal kasi stuck siya eh. Tell me about the relationship na meron siya. Alam mo, this could be a twin flame or soulmate connection, especially puro Major Arcanas nagpapakita dito. So, tell me about the relationship na meron itong taong to. Queen of Cups, and tell me more. The Magician. The Tower is here, and the Ten of Wands. Okay. For me, it's like the Queen and the Magician. Kung pagtatapatin mo to, they don't match. So, hindi nagwo-work out or hindi match yung energy nila ng person na kakonect niya ngayon. You know? And it would only lead into the Tower moment. So, yung relationship nila, hindi sila bagay, hindi sila match, hindi sila okay. Nakikita lang natin na pwedeng may mga responsibilidad or hindi maka-let go because of family issues or maybe may kinalaman sa family with the Eight of Wands. So, nakakita tayo dito ng mga may mga taong involved kung bakit napupursige itong connection nila dito. But they are not happy. Or this is not what they want. So what will happen in the future for the both of you? Two of Wands is here. Five of Pentacles. Four of Wands and the Empress. Clarify the Five of Pentacles, please. Nakakaamoy nga pala ako nung amoy kanal or ano. So, pwedeng malapit ka sa drainage or sa kanal. Ace of Wands. Eight of Pentacles. King of Pentacles. I mean, I can see money problem in the near future for you. Clarify the Five of Pentacles and the Eight of Pentacles, the Six of Swords. Kung hindi man money problems, medyo magiging mabagal yung flow ng finances for you in the near future, but I can say stability. May stability. Nakaamoy nga pala ako ng lasing. So, I don't know kung may hangover ka ba or wala. Or kaiinom mo lang. I can see someone na medyo nakainom. The Empress is here. So, this is the time wherein kailangan mong mag-focus sa sarili mo. Pagdating sa money, I feel like you need to use your intuition. Kailangan mo lakasan yung pakiramdam mo. Three of Pentacles is here. So, may nakikita tayong growth para sa'yo. Like, maganda yung sinabi ko kanina regarding money sa'yo, diba? May growth. Pero kailangan paghirapan mo. May mga challenges, pero kailangan mong harapin yung mga challenges na yun. And there's an offer, pero kailangan desisyonan mo ito. Yung offer nito. And, yeah. Concentrate on the new beginnings. Kasi pwedeng yung mga new beginnings, yun yung dapat mong pag-focusan mo na. Okay? And regarding your person, the King of Swords is here, Seven of Wands, and the Sun. Nakakita tayo mga challenges regarding sa bagay na nagpapasaya sa kanya ngayon. And that could mean a child or it could be anything eh. Pero kung ano man yung nagpapasaya sa kanya ngayon, pwedeng maging challenging. For example, career. Nagpapasaya sa kanya. Kung ano man yung news regarding career, pero magiging challenging para sa kanya. Para ma-accomplish yun. Maybe there's a promotion, pero magiging challenging para sa kanya. Para ma-accomplish yung promotion na yun. So anyway, thank you for watching guys. I love you all. Hopefully nakarelate kayo, nakaresonate kayo. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. Unicorn Princess Tarot, Madam P TV, Virgo Philippines, Tapit Hapon TV, Water Sign Philippines, Madam P Vlogs, Libra Philippines. I love you all. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.